if you're watching the replay, just drop it down in the comments so I know. Wait for some people to come on. I'm going to share this. If you come in, let me know that you are here just by saying hi. I'm going to share this. I'm like super freaking excited. Like, seriously. Oh, I'll go back. I've been waiting for this kit for a long time. Really? Oh my goodness, why is it blurry? How is it now? It's not even showing me that people have joined. Hang on. Maybe it's catching up now. Yay, good. Okay. So, hey Rachel. I got my starter kit. Hey Heather, for Chalk Couture. Chalk Couture is a chalk paste. Anyone can do this. We have transfers, and it's a screen adhesive that you can put down on almost any surface, and you put it with a squeegee, you wipe your excess off, peel it off, and voila, you have your image. It does not take a whole lot of, guessing. It takes actually the guesswork out of it. Just depends on what you like. It's really cool. It's really awesome. I'm going to be doing a lot with this, including local classes. My baby's down there. So let me show you. If you want to join, it's $99 to join. The new kit, they just launched a new kit for the winter months, so it's going to be a little different. They changed some of the transfers out and some of the pastes out. But there's also, I forgot to mention, there's also a chalk ink that you can use, say, on mugs, and you can heat set them, and it's permanent. It's not going to come off. You can put them on pillows, shirts. You can design your own things. It's really awesome. So let me show you the chalk transfers that I got. Ones that are going to be staying in the kit. I got this one here, which is the Create. And you see the white lines on there. You cut that up and you can put them wherever you want to. I got the Farm Sweet Farm, and that will still be in the kit. And again, you cut these out and you can design, you can put these anywhere that you want. And with the chalk paste, it dries hard and it stays until you put water. When you add water on it, you can just wipe it off and do a whole new project. So it's really great for your holidays, your kids' birthdays, and things like that. The chalk ink, again, is permanent. It's not coming off once it's heat set. So you'll get the two business builders. This one here is the, this is the Ask Me How. And this one is a vision board to set your goals and things like that with. And then the ones that I got that won't be coming in the kit is Have Courage and Be Kind. So, I mean, yeah, you just add your little paste on there in the different colors, and really awesome. And then this one is called Explore More. So it's just a bunch of little different icons. And this, I think, is being switched out for the holiday icons. And then this one is the Established Wreath. So it has all the different numbers, and you can cut them, you cut them apart and put them together how you want. These make great gifts for people. Oh, that one I can't show you. That is a monthly club that if you join, you sign up for free. And you get it a month in advance. So that was the transfers that I got. You get the little Chalk Couture apron. Because if you're anything like me, I get a little messy with things and get it everywhere, and I ruin a bunch of my clothes. So I would definitely need that. Alright, so the inks that, you get 5 inks. The ones that I got, no, my bad, these are the pastes. You don't get the inks, you get the pastes. I got the color Storm, and these are 3-ounce containers. So yeah, that's going to go a long, long way. It's going to last you a while. I got the color Peacock. The color Current Jam. So, I mean, that is a big jar for, 3 ounces. Garden Herb. And if you have any questions, just ask. And then I got the Bright White. So those are the 5 colors that I got. The new colors that are coming in the kit, the Bright White staying. They're adding Candy Apple and Couture Teal. And then Garden Herb and Storm are staying. So the Peacock will not be in it, and the Current Jam will not be in it. So, but you'll get the pretty red color. Christmas time's coming up, fall, and yeah, all that good stuff. So you get some thank you cards in the kit. You get their little squeegee. This is what you use to put your paste on with. Excuse me. It is, angled right here. So you spread it out and you use that angle to scrape your excess off and put it back in your jar. So there's no waste. So that's really, really good. You get one of the chalkboards. This is the round chalkboard. It has the twine with it so you can hang it up. And again, you use the paste on this. It will dry, and stay. But then, say you made a fall one, you want to make a Christmas one, you spritz it with some water and it cleans right on off. And you can redo a whole new project on it. How awesome is that? I think it's pretty awesome. And then, oh, I love this board. Maybe I should have, let me take this paper off. In the kit, you get one of their large, well, it's like a 9 by 12. One of their chalkboard frames. So again, you can do an image. Hang on. You can do an image. He's mad about something. Wash it off with water and redo another one. So again, you get all that stuff for $99. And you don't have to sell it if you don't want to. What's the matter? Are you stuck? Hey guys. Okay, I'm back. Sorry. He got his finger stuck. But again, if you want to join, you don't have to sell it. You can just take advantage of the 40% discount you get. That's right. If you are a Chalk Couture designer, you get a 40% discount. So you can just join to take advantage of that. When you first sign up, you will get a, as soon as you sign up, you will get a 50% off your entire order, your entire next order that you place. That is a one-time deal. You have, I think, 60 days to use it. So, yeah, I'm going to be using it pretty soon here. So, again, you have that you get as well. And, again, I'll go over if you're still interested. If you're interested in joining, I'll let you know the perks and things. If you want to join and you can make this as a business. You can sell whatever you create. You can sell the products. You can host parties. You can have some of your friends get together and do this. And that's another thing that I'm going to be doing. I'm not going to go too in detail with it, but I will be holding classes, hopefully starting next month, some local. So if you live local to me, keep your eye out for those. I think that's about it. If you have any questions, you can message me anytime, and I am, free to answer them. I will be starting pretty soon, working on projects. I'm gonna play with stuff for a little bit, and then I'm gonna show y'all guys some cool stuff to do with it. So yeah, if you have any questions or comments, drop them down below. Be sure to invite your friends and your family if you think they would like it, to our group. This is where I'll post, different specials, new releases, that Couture has, and any specials that I'm